Oh my gosh, you guys, Uber's stock price is absolutely crashing just as Uber and Lyft drivers are planning to strike nationwide, and Uber's head of rides just left the company. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi, he's probably freaking out right now. We're gonna do a deep dive into what's going on. Drivers are not getting paid as much as they should be getting paid, in my opinion. Uber just ended its fuel surcharge. We got so much to talk about, but please thumbs up the video. And by the way, if you've ever been deactivated by any of these big company conglomerate gig apps and you're trying to get your account recovered, there is a service that does help deactivated drivers on their journey towards reactivation. And we do have a link there. It's not guaranteed, by the way, it's not 100%, but they are helping drivers. They send out letters to these companies and they crafted them, and yeah, we have a referral code down below, so check it out. But let's get into this, my friends. Uber stock price, listen to this right now. Uber stock is trading at, let me pull it up exactly, at $21.57, down another 9% today, Monday, June 13th. This is huge, my friends, and we're gonna get into the stock price, but first and foremost, Uber drivers are striking. There's a huge strike that's going on, not only in America, but in around the world. A dozen of Uber and Bolt drivers under the auspices of National Coalition of Ridesharing Professionals had on Monday disrupted activities in Abuja while up protesting what they described as exploitation and extortion by the e-hailing companies. The group was calling for an immediate upward review of e-cab fares to reflect the current economic realities in the country. I agree. With the rise of inflation, the cost of inflation, rising gas prices, which is a subset of inflation, or a direct correlation with inflation, Uber and Lyft should be raising rates for drivers. They simply should, to keep up with inflation. Minimum wage is going up. You go down the street, try to go get a job at In-N-Out. What are they paying? $17.50 an hour to start. Minimum wage is going up to $15.50 at 2023, and Uber and Lyft, they haven't been raising rates for drivers. And all they do, oh yeah, we'll throw in a little lousy fuel surcharge, which we're gonna make the customer pay for, so we're not even paying for it. My golly gee willikers. Whew, sorry guys, I'm freaking out because they need to pay more. Listen to this, drivers of ride-hailing services to strike over poor working conditions. This came out on June 10th, 2022. This is in Ghana, the Ghana Online Drivers Union. This is relevant news, my friends. You should know what's going on around the world, especially if you're driving for Uber. Have served notice that they will boycott foreign ride-hailing apps in 2 months if their demands for better working conditions and improved wages are not met. The driver said the cost of driving around has nearly doubled, whereas profits continue to dwindle. What do you think? Has costs gone up and price gone down? My friends, listen to this. There is a strike that's going to be taking place in America nationwide on July 4th. Independence Day, right? Who is in charge of it? Well, a guy by the name of Rideshare Professor. He is sharing the details on his channel. So go please check him out, Rideshare Professor. And yeah guys, the Uber stock price, it just keeps falling and falling and falling. Lyft stock price, let's take a look at Lyft stock price. Lyft is down to 14 bucks, down 10% today too. 9.38, holy smokes, guys. Keep in mind, Lyft used to be, a year ago, $78, and now it's 14. So if you've been investing into Lyft, I'm sorry, guys. I'd rather be burning my cash or putting it into Bitcoin than putting it into Lyft or Uber stock right now. Uber stock, it's on the top charts for dropped quickly, even gone way below Amazon, Tesla, General Motors, AMC. It's going down to 21 bucks. So anyways, want to make this quick video. I want to hear from you guys. Are you going to be striking this summer? And yeah, do you think Uber and Lyft need to raise rates for drivers, or do you think they're good where they're at? Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye now.